is up, guys? I am back on this trimaran, custom built pontoon trimaran, and we are extending the deck here, and I'm just making a quick update. Got a lot of prep done. I bonded in some tabs here so that we can lay this piece on top, which is cut to fit. And we've got our support pieces. This is going to fit here like so. And we got that center one there, and the other side's also all set. We've got this splash piece here that's going to sit at an angle in the front, catch water in case this thing nose dives. It'll give it some down, or rather some up force actually, but force the water down. And so tomorrow, before I leave today, I'm actually going to bond these on, let those sit, and then tomorrow I can kind of dry fit this a bit, make sure everything's decent. I don't have to cut anything, make sure things line up a bit, or line up well actually, and kind of go from there. Basically I'll have to glass all these ends closed once everything's together, and then I'll band all the supports here, you know, to this, so that those are all supported. But initially I'm gonna just bond it with some Bondolite is what it's called, and then I can glass everything together, which I've already got pieces cut and ready to go. And both sides of the Kusa are glassed, so that's ready to go. Once it's all together, I'll fiber the edges, so it's all nice and together. I'll band it obviously to the existing, and I'll band underneath this support here, and of course to the existing back here. I'm going to put in like a good 6 layers at the corners, here and here, and also at the tip, at the very tips of these supports. I'm also going to angle. I've got one thing left to do. I'm just trying to figure out the angle. I've been projecting all of this to find where things will begin and end. So I'm going to get this together, and then I've got these pieces already cut, which I think is a suitable angle for this piece to sit at, and then I can kind of make sure that is good, and then once I'm sure, I'll cut that angle into these pieces, and then I'll have my support to bond this piece, this front piece too. I think it's going to look pretty cool. I'm thinking maybe even just to make it less angular looking, maybe even make this an angle in the front, you know, because you're going to catch most of the water. You know, if there is a wave, you're going to catch it all in the front. It's going to kind of draft off to the sides a little bit, not too much, I guess, but just for looks, you can freaking taper this down an inch or two on the sides. Maybe even curve the front a little or something. Some little things we can do to make it look a little more, what do you call it? More beautiful, I guess, and less utilitarian, right? Throw some edges on it, so throw some smooth edges. So I'll try to do that here and there. I'm going to get rid of the lip best I can, this outside edge here, and then just connect it and bring that in, transition it somehow, I guess. And what else? There's really nothing else I did. I got some couple little spots on the back that aren't really worth mentioning. Little jumper repairs, but this is the main project here. And tomorrow I think I'm going to do a live video of me putting this together. So if you guys want, you can catch that tomorrow, probably noonish, 11 noon, somewhere in there. Oh wait, you know what? My son's got an appointment tomorrow, so actually I won't be here till 1. But either way, I'm going to do a live putting this together, 1 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. And in any case, if you made it this far, you made it pretty far, please like the video, please subscribe to get notifications of this and other projects as they move along. One of which is actually these couple of tubs here. Some damage here and there that were dropped off today. So I've got 1 and I've got 2 to fix, so I'll throw that in the rotation. Again, thanks a lot for watching. Talk to you later.